Many factories struggle with low productivity, inconsistent circle shapes, and time-consuming manual welding when producing wire components. Operators often spend hours adjusting machines, handling multiple steps, and correcting errors, which slows down production and increases costs. The TATE automatic wire circle bending and welding machine transforms the way wire circles are made. It combines automatic coil feeding, CNC-controlled bending, precise cutting, high-speed but welding, and automatic unloading into a single fully automated process. Every wire circle is produced with perfect roundness, accurate dimensions, and strong, stable welds, ensuring top-quality results every time. With advanced servo-driven systems and intelligent CNC control, this machine eliminates manual intervention, reduces production errors, and boosts output efficiency. It is ideal for producing hardware rings, circular supports, hooks, construction hoops, furniture components, and industrial wire circles, handling wire diameters from 2 millimeters to 10 millimeters, depending on the model. TATE machines are designed for long-term reliability and consistent performance, even in high-volume, continuous production environments. The intuitive interface makes programming and adjustments fast and easy, allowing manufacturers to switch between different circle sizes without downtime. Choose TATE and experience precision, automation, and productivity like never before. Upgrade your production line with a solution that saves time, reduces labor, and delivers consistent high-quality wire circles. Contact us today at info@tatebend.com to get your professional TATE solution.